Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new 2017 Ford Fiesta ST, stock number B9306XA. Only 5,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, magnetic gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Fiesta seats 5. And of course, with only 5,000 miles, extremely clean inside and out. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Ample storage in the rear, 60/40 split seat. Folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. No dents or dings in the body. This ST has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded heated Recaro seats. Again, only 5,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large, easy to operate touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, automatic temperature control with heated front seats, 6-speed manual transmission, storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood of this fun-to-drive ST is a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. Plenty of get up and go for a smaller car, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average 33 on the highway. And again, only 5,000 miles on those tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9306XA to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.